Unraveling the deals, everything on sale. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a very exciting topic to explore, especially for those of you who love shopping or are keen on finding great deals. We're diving into the meaning behind the phrase, everything on sale. This phrase pops up everywhere, from online stores to the windows of your favorite shops. But what does it really mean, and how can you use this knowledge to your advantage? Stay tuned to find out. Everything on sale sounds like a dream come true for many shoppers. At face value, this phrase suggests that all items in a store are being offered at discounted prices. It's a powerful marketing tool that retailers use to attract customers, implying that shoppers can find deals on anything they wish to purchase. However, it's important to understand the context and the fine print. Sometimes, everything may not include every single item in the store. Special exclusions often apply, so it's always a good idea to ask or read the details carefully. Marketing plays a huge role in how we interpret everything on sale. Retailers use this phrase to create a sense of urgency and encourage consumers to act fast. The idea is that these deals are too good to pass up and won't last forever. This section of our video will explore how understanding these marketing strategies can help you make informed decisions and spot the real bargains from the marketing hype. Knowing that everything on sale can sometimes be a bit of an exaggeration, how do you make the most of these deals? Here, we'll share some tips on smart shopping. Read the fine print. Look for any exclusions or conditions. Compare prices. Just because something is on sale doesn't mean it's the best deal out there. Ask questions. If in doubt, ask a sales associate for clarification. Set a budget. It's easy to get carried away. Decide what you're willing to spend ahead of time. Interestingly, the concept of sales and how they are advertised can vary significantly from one country to another. In some places, everything on sale might be a rare event tied to specific holidays or end-of-season clearances. In others, it could be a more frequent marketing tactic. We'll take a brief look at how different cultures perceive sales and the impact of these perceptions on shopping behavior. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, everything on sale, and how to navigate these deals with a keen eye. Remember, a savvy shopper is an informed shopper. By understanding the nuances behind marketing strategies and knowing how to spot genuine deals, you can make the most of your shopping experiences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and insights. Happy shopping, and see you in the next video.